Hello, and welcome to this quick demo of Portworx Data Services and kind of what's new in the October 2022 release. So first, we're going to see that, yes, the Helm chart needs updating. There's obviously a little indication there with the arrow saying you need to upgrade. And MySQL, brand new data service. So make sure you can easily check that out. I'm going to deploy one here for you. Real basic, just nothing fancy. Just want to show you MySQL 8 is now available. That's going to take just a second to come up. I want to show you one more thing. In-place upgrades. So now we have Postgres running 14.4, but we just released a brand new 14.5 support. And you can click update and go, and you can see update available, and it'll take just a second. Now, it does warn you, like, hey, this is a single instance. It's going to cause it's downtime because it will delete and redeploy the container with the new image, but then that helps you upgrade. So there's some cool new things there. Now, MySQL's up and running. Let's connect an application to it. So I'm going to replace this with the VIP. So this is just a sample application, Pet Clinic. I've used it lots of times before. And what you really want to see here is, hey, where is I got the password. I wanted this to finish so I can, there we go, have that VIP. In general, I use this on a single instance. Actually, it wouldn't have mattered, but in this case, I just want to kind of be consistent with what I do. Paste this into the secret. The secret is what the application reads and how to connect to the database. So I'm going to apply that secret and some services, and it's got a front-end service that'll allow me to connect to it from the internet. So this is the Spring app. Yep, there we go. Now this is going to take just a second. I'll paste it in here, but it'll probably be no good for a second. Now, obviously, I haven't actually deployed these services, so let's do that. Nope. Git pod. Yeah, nothing's there.
Another thing not to forget while we're kind of waiting here and I'm typing is PDS now supports GKE. So make sure you check that out if you are a Google user. So
a couple of different microservices that run this application in the back end, and it'll take just a second for it to come up and run. If we look at our MySQL, Postgres, oh yeah, of course, I'm doing two things today. The update is finished. We're on the latest version. Everything's happy. All right, now let's go back to MySQL. Metrics. You can see that there's some threads connected, but only two. We should see this jump up in a second when we actually start connecting. They're getting healthy, running. Should be able to refresh that, and here we go. There's our seed data in the database. There's some veterinarians. Let's register a new user so we can show writing to that database. That's obviously a good thing. And my keyboard skills here, pretty awesome. Submit. There we go. Add a pet. He was born today. Yeah, there we go. And there we are. So hopefully this was useful. You can see that in the latest version of PDS, we've added MySQL, Postgres 14.5, ability to upgrade that Postgres and other services. So that's just one that we know that we have a newer version and see those metrics. So some pretty exciting things. If you have any other questions, make sure to reach out to your Portworx team. Thank you very much.